Mahalo Vinaka and welcome to Talanoamanda Book Club. Continuing our Fijian education here with my nephew Elsie.
Bula.
Bula, and there's Brett.
Bula.
And part of learning the language is also imbibing the culture and the tradition of the Fijian people. And the culture has been around for thousands of years. In fact, more than 3,000 years ago, those beautiful islands have been inhabited from then till today. And part of our culture is having respect for our elders. Who would you say would be included in that as our elders?
Tata, Nana. Nale lai, nalevu, talevu, tata levu. Bu, mama.
Naka, iyo, dina, yumdona luwengu, Gori, and if we are given good advice, sound advice that is practical, how should we view them? Darai tapakala ka era paksal te kenda era uno di kenda era namatua. Dava nom rona numa.
Dingoma.
Yo dingoma.
Toka. Bulataka.
Okay, tulo na ko si Mimi no tulo dingoma toka bulataka, which means we respectfully listen to advice given. If they are practical, sound, yes, and good advice, we respect them and we take it in and also apply them in our lives. So some of these can make us a better person, being respectful not only of ourselves, respecting ourselves, also respecting others, and being useful members of our family, our community at large as well. So there you go. So look, Carlos, Elsie has started on this journey of learning Vosavakaviti, and hope you are enjoying being part of this journey and this adventure. And if you like this, please do what?
Like and subscribe.
Vinaka Vakalevu, Okay. Talomanda, Vinaka Vakalevu, Mode.